All right, big news coming in on Prajwal Revana now being taken for medical tests. Finally, he's now been taken for a medical checkup. He was in the CID office all through the night, and now he's going to be taken to Bowring Hospital for medical tests. This is the information that we have in the latest. Prajwal Revana is going to now be moved to Bowring Hospital as per procedure. Remember, his anticipatory bail hearing is due to take place anytime this afternoon. We're going to, of course, be tracking that. But that's the norm. Right after arrest, procedural medical test is usually carried out, and that's exactly what he is going to be taken to Bowring for. His medical tests will be done, and it's likely that he will be produced before court. The court will then decide whether to keep him in custody, how many days, or let him go, or grant him bail. Those questions will be answered in a little while from now. India Today continues to track this story very, very closely. We have been the first to bring you all the updates right when Prajwal went absconding, soon as the video surfaced, and until the day he's arrived into Bengaluru and taken into custody by the SIT. We're hoping the victims get justice as appealed by the people of Karnataka. Let's just hope this investigation itself goes in the direction it should. Anaga Keshav joining us live. She's been all through the night right outside the CID office. Anaga, to give us more on the medical check now, is it Bowring Hospital that he's been taken to?
Well, that's right, Nabila. We are being told by sources that Prajwal Revana has left the CID office. So from the CID office to Bowring Hospital by road, it'll take just about 10 minutes for Prajwal to land here. We are outside the Bowring Hospital, and it's exactly at this spot when he'll be taken inside the hospital premise. His blood sugar levels will be tested, essentially to find out if Prajwal is fit for a 14-day custody. So all these things will be taken care of, and Nabila, it was the exact hospital where his father Revana was also taken for a medical checkup. Usually Bowring Hospital is the place that is almost designated for any such procedure of this sort. Okay, Prajwal Revana is just about to get here any moment from now. We're already hearing sirens blaring from, yes, his convoy has arrived, and that's the police convoy coming one by one, and that white jeep over there, that's where Prajwal Revana is. Again, he is going with top-post security, and this is the jeep where Prajwal Revana is. Again, Nabila, another interesting point is that, again, the jeep, he's escorted by an all-women team cop. So consciously, Nabila, the SIT has taken this decision to ensure that Prajwal is always escorted by top women cops, sending a symbolic message that, hey, you cannot mess with women, especially, women that you consider weak, women that you consider vulnerable, and it's going to be the same women who will pin you down and show you your place. So that's the kind of symbolic messaging that the SIT has undertaken. He is taken inside the Bowring Hospital, as my camera person is just showing you. He's getting out of the jeep. He's being escorted inside the hospital. All sorts of medical procedure will be undertaken, right from his blood sugar levels to sugar levels to to blood pressure. So all these things will be taken care of by the doctors to ensure that he is medically fit for interrogation and for police custody.
Anaga is there right in front of the Bowring Hospital. In fact, she's the one who's been bringing us all the live updates right from the start, from day one to now. Anaga, hats off to your Bengaluru team for this relentless coverage. We've got the most accurate updates right in time. And just as Anaga stands there, Prajwal Revana has now been whisked away into Bowring Hospital, where his series of medical tests will be done. His glucose levels, his BP, and his basic vitals will be checked just to ensure whether he is fit enough for a 14-day police custody, so he doesn't come around later to say, I'm not well, I need to go home on medical grounds, etc. But with all that pull and clout, SIT seems adamant, Anaga, to ensure that Prajwal Revana, who is the accused here, is investigated, and the victims who they are counseling get justice. All attempts being made to ensure victims get justice.
Well, Nabil, Well, that's, especially in cases where political netas are embroiled in a case as sensitive as this, they usually pull the strings of health grounds. They say that I'm not well, I have stomach issues, or that I am reeling under, health issues that I have been having for several years now. So, those are the kind of health strings that usually political netas who wield a certain amount of influence exert. But here in this case, Prajwal is pretty young. He's only 33 years old. So far, we've not reported any instances where Prajwal Revana has fallen sick or that he had to be flown abroad for a certain kind of surgery. Nothing of that sort. The Gowda family, in fact, Nabila, you know better, have always known to have a very healthy bloodline. So Prajwal Revana, very unlikely that he can pull off any such strings by saying that he's undergoing something or that he is suffering from chest pain. None of that drama is going to be taken by the SIT corps. Promptly they got here. They are currently treating him. They are trying to find out if he is medically fit. It's of course a part of the due procedure, of course. So once this is over, Prajwal Revana will be taken back to CID office, and then from there he will be produced in front of the magistrate, where the police are going to be seeking minimum of 14 days custody in front of the magistrate. And today is also the day when Bhavani, his mother's hearing, is going on, and today is also the crucial day when his father's bail plea is challenged by the SIT in the Karnataka High Court. So a big day, Nabila, for the Revana family.
Absolutely, and it's very interesting that while all this happens, you have HD Kumaraswamy having a nice summer vacation at a resort nearby in Kabini, Karnataka, which is again a statement that he's made that he wants to stay far away from all the allegations that have cast a shadow on the credibility of not just the party, but also the Deve Gowda family itself. The brother, Revana's brother, HD Kumaraswamy, former chief minister, he is nowhere within city limits right now. He's chosen to stay away right on the day, very strategically planned his exit from Bengaluru, right on the day that Prajwal Revana has landed into Bengaluru and he's been arrested. These are the visuals that we bring to you right from outside the Bowring Hospital, where Prajwal Revana has just been taken in. That's the shot there, showing Prajwal in that vehicle. Very interesting to see. He's not been allowed to go and freshen up anywhere. Same clothes, no change of clothes either. Prajwal Revana now will be going through medical tests. The next procedure is for him to be produced before court. We're going to be tracking every movement and development